Did you know that dolphins can sleep with one eye open? Yes, these marine mammals have a fascinating sleeping pattern. Unlike us, giraffes only sleep about 30 minutes a day. These tall creatures take short naps to stay alert in the wild. Ever wondered how bats sleep? They hang upside down in dark caves, in colonies of thousands, catching tiny naps to conserve energy. Birds, like the albatross, can snooze while flying. These skilled flyers take power naps mid-flight, showcasing superb adaptability. Cats are sleep champions too, catching up to 16 hours of sleep a day, often indulging in a series of long, cozy naps.